We wipe our basket, we scale our portafilter, then we grind the coffee. After grinding coffee, we will measure our grams. We should have 20 grams of coffee, and sometimes it's 19.9. It's okay, this one. So then you will use distributor, and you tap your coffee, and then you will put your portafilter in group head, and you start your extraction, and you measuring how many grams for the coffee will come out, because you want to make sure your coffee is perfect espresso. So let's figure out how many grams we have, and we use this 20 grams of coffee as well. After having our good espresso, so we're gonna steam our milk to make latte coffee. First we plunge our steamer to make it ready for temperature. So then what we do, you take your pincher or have milk already, then you start steaming. You make your foam, because you make latte, we make little foam, not too much foam. So you make sure you not make too much foam, because latte should have double espresso and medium hot milk with little foam of milk, not too much foam. More foam, this is for cappuccino. So here it is gonna make latte. After at the end of the video, you will see our video have little foam in our cup. It will be clear cup, so that everyone can see how it is called the latte. So you can see in the cup have little foam on the top, which means this is latte. Have double espresso and milk and little foam. So this one called the latte coffee.